Ryan here from Be Mad Photo in a crowded downtown Chicago. Thank you for joining me today. I took the Ricoh GR3x to downtown Chicago along with the Olympus OMD EM5 Mark III to do some street and event photography for one of the most popular St. Patrick's Day events in North America, the dyeing green of the Chicago River. While waiting for the dyeing to start, the Ricoh was perfect for walking around and getting candid street shots of green-clad revelers lining the river in anticipation. You can easily snap street photos like this also with the Ricoh GR3x, even when walking through fast-moving crowds like I was. Set your minimum shutter speed and leave the ISO on auto. With mine set to a minimum of 1/320th of a second, I was guaranteed to get razor-sharp focus with minimal motion blur, whether using snap or autofocus. As the action began in the river, I switched mainly to the Olympus EM5 Mark III to utilize the longer focal length that I had with me. Those close-up shots of the boat were done with the 75 to 300mm, which is 150 to 600mm full-frame equivalent, to be able to zoom in and capture interesting details from high above at street level. So happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Enjoy some more shots from the event.
That's so freaking cute! Oh my god, that's so freaking cute!
Thanks for joining me on this POV adventure visiting the St. Patrick's dyeing of the Chicago River green. Please take a second to click the like button, and I would love to hear in the comments if you were here, or would you plan to come here someday and catch this very unique and famous festival in downtown Chicago. If you enjoy street photography, you can't go wrong here, especially with the Ricoh GR3x or any camera. Anyways, Be Mad Photo, my name is Brian. See you next time. Thanks again. Bye.